I worked at a tire shop for 3 years, and I'm about to tell you everything they trained me to never say out loud. Because here's the thing, tire shops aren't making money selling you tires. The markup on tires is terrible. They're making money on everything else, the services, the add-ons, the stuff you don't actually need. And look, I'm not saying all tire shops are crooked, but the business model is built on upselling. Corporate sends down monthly quotas. You need to sell X number of alignments, X number of tire pressure monitoring sensor kits, X number of nitrogen fills. And if you don't hit those numbers, you're having a conversation with your manager. So let me break down the 5 biggest secrets they don't want you knowing, because once you know these, you'll never get scammed again. Secret number 1, you probably don't need new tires yet. The legal minimum tread depth in most states is 2/32 of an inch. That's what the penny test measures. Put a penny in the tread with Lincoln's head down. If you can see all of his head, you're at 2/32, legally bald. But here's what shops do. They don't tell you that you need new tires at 4/32, sometimes even 6, and they'll act like it's a safety issue, like your family's in danger. Now, is 4/32 better than 2? Yeah, absolutely. Tire Rack did tests showing that wet braking gets worse after 4/32, but here's what they don't tell you. At 4/32, you still have thousands of miles left, maybe 10,000, maybe more. I had a guy come in with tires at 5/32. The service advisor tried to sell him a full set, told him they were dangerous. The guy asked to see the tread depth gauge reading. 5/32. Brand new tires start at 10 or 11. This guy was barely halfway through his tire life. He walked out. Smart move. So here's the rule. If your tread is above 4/32 and your tires aren't showing weird wear patterns, you're fine. Don't let them scare you into a $1,200 purchase you don't need. Secret number 2, that alignment they're pushing, you don't need it. This is the big one. Alignments are pure profit. It takes maybe 45 minutes, costs the shop almost nothing, and they charge you $80 to $150. So shops push them hard. Here's how the scam works. You come in for a tire rotation. They've got these quick check alignment machines now. Drive over sensors, clamp on tools. Takes 2 minutes, and then they come back and say, hey, your alignment's out of spec. We should fix that today. But here's the thing. Those quick check tools aren't accurate. A guy on Reddit said his dealer told him he needed an alignment. He just had one done 2,000 miles ago. When he questioned it, the service advisor admitted the clamp-on reader isn't accurate and his alignment was probably fine. And even if your alignment is slightly out of spec, that doesn't mean you need it fixed. If your car drives straight, if your steering wheel is centered, if your tires are wearing evenly, you don't need an alignment. Alignments are for when you hit a curb, when you slam into a pothole, when your car pulls to one side, or your steering wheel is crooked. Not every time you get your tires rotated. I've seen cars go 100,000 miles without needing an alignment, and I've seen shops try to sell alignments on brand new cars with 2,000 miles on them. The truth is, most modern cars almost never need alignments unless something breaks or you hit something. The suspension is built tight. There's no camber adjustment on most cars anymore, just toe. And toe doesn't change unless you damage something. So next time they say you need an alignment, ask them what's wrong. Ask for the printout. Ask if your car pulls or if your tires show uneven wear. If the answer's no, you don't need it.
Secret number 3, TPMS sensor kits are a $40 scam. Tire pressure monitoring system sensors. Every car since 2008 has them. Little sensors inside the tire that tell you when pressure's low. And tire shops will charge you $10 per wheel for a TPMS service kit every single time you get tires. $40 total. They'll say it's mandatory, they'll say the sensors will leak without it, they'll say it's for your safety. It's a lie. The service kit is just a little rubber grommet and a valve core. Cost them maybe 50 cents, and you only need it if they're actually removing the sensor from the wheel. If they're just dismounting the tire and putting a new one on the same wheel, they're not touching the sensor. A guy on a forum bought tires and took them to Discount Tire to mount. They tried to charge him $40 for TPMS kits. He said, "You're not removing the sensors, you're just mounting new tires on my existing wheels." They insisted it was mandatory. So he asked them to test the tires for leaks in the dunk tank. All 4 wheels, no leaks, not one. Then the tech tried to tell him, "Yeah, but they'll leak soon if you don't replace the kits." He left. Most TPMS sensors last the entire life of the tire. You only replace the service kit if you're actually taking the sensor out. And even then, it's not always necessary. Those rubber grommets can be reused multiple times. So here's what you do. When they try to sell you TPMS kits, ask, "Are you removing the sensors?" If they say no, tell them you don't need the kits. If they push back, walk. Secret number 4, nitrogen in your tires is a waste of money. This one kills me. Shops charge $15 to $30 per tire to fill with nitrogen instead of air. They'll tell you nitrogen doesn't leak as fast, they'll say it maintains pressure better, they'll say it improves fuel economy. Air is 78% nitrogen already. You're paying to go from 78% to 95%, and the difference is basically nothing. Nitrogen molecules are slightly larger than oxygen, so yeah, technically they leak slower, but we're talking about maybe 1 psi difference over 6 months. Consumer Reports tested this. They filled tires with air and nitrogen and measured pressure loss over a year. The nitrogen tires lost an average of 2.2 psi. The air tires lost 3.5 psi. 1 psi difference, that's it. And you can check your tire pressure once a month and top off with air at any gas station. But shops love selling nitrogen because it's recurring revenue. They charge you $30 and then you have to come back to them every time you need to top off because you can't mix nitrogen and air. Except you totally can, it doesn't matter, it's already a mix. The only place nitrogen makes sense is race cars and airplanes, controlled environments where temperature swings are extreme. Your Honda Civic driving to Costco, you don't need it.
Secret number 5. Free alignments and free rotations are designed to sell you stuff you don't need. This is the sneakiest one. Shops offer free alignment checks, free tire rotations for life, free this, free that. Sounds great, right? It's a trap. They want you coming back regularly so they can inspect your car and find problems, real or imaginary. One guy posted that he bought tires with free lifetime alignment checks. Every time he went in, they told him he needed an alignment. Every single time. Even 2 weeks after getting one done. The goal is to get you in the door and upsell you. Another common one is the free rotation that suddenly finds a nail in your tire that's too close to the sidewall to repair. So now you need a new tire. Funny how that nail wasn't there when you drove in. I'm not saying don't take advantage of free services, but understand what they are. They're loss leaders. The shop is losing money on the free rotation, so they're going to try to make it back by selling you something else. So when you go in for a free service, be skeptical. Ask questions. Ask to see the problem. Don't just take their word for it. Here's the bottom line. Tire shops aren't evil. Most of the techs are good people, just trying to do their jobs. But the business model is built on services, not tires. And corporate quotas push even honest shops to oversell. So protect yourself. Know your tread depth. Know when you actually need an alignment. Push back on unnecessary add-ons. And if a shop is pressuring you, walk out. There's another tire shop 2 miles down the road, and your business is worth fighting for. Don't let them scare you, don't let them rush you, and definitely don't let them charge you for stuff you don't need. That's it. 5 secrets tire shops don't want you to know. Drop a comment if you've ever been hit with one of these scams. I'll see you in the next one.